Hello, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching from. Yup, it's your boy David B, or you can call me Good Life, guys. Yup, you can call me Good Life, guys. I hope you guys are having a good trading week, and I hope you guys are doing very, very, very fine. Yes, I hope you guys are doing very fine, guys. Yup, guys, if you have been following me for the longest, guys, you can remember that last week I posted I sent out a trade signal on NAS100 and BTC, guys. I sent out a trade signal on NAS100 and BTC. So, guys, I am here to give you guys the update on those trades, NAS100 and BTC, and I'm also here to give you an extra trade for this week, guys. Yes, you heard it, an extra trade for this week, guys. So, guys, let's dive into my screen. So right here in front of me is NAS100, guys. I remember, guys, I told you guys that NAS100 is going to buy for the longest. I told you guys that NAS100 is going to buy for the longest. Why did I see that buy? Why did I take the buy? Remember, guys, before this time I told you guys a secret that once you go to the monthly time frame as a swing trader and you see that the overall direction of the monthly time frame is bullish, price is pushing to the upside very vigorously. You see that price is pushing to the upside. When you go to the weekly time frame, when you scale down to the weekly time frame, the daily time frame, the only thing you have to do is look for buy opportunities. Yes, the only thing you have to do is look for buy opportunities. So when I saw this, I went to the weekly time frame and I saw that price is still pushing to the upside. Price is still bullish, very, very bullish on NAS100. So now I decided to scale down to the daily time frame and then look for entries and look for key levels that yes, I can partake in the buy. I can partake in the buy. So when I saw this, I came to the daily time frame and I saw price creating this bit of retracement around there. I saw price creating this bit of retracement around there, this whole retracement around there. I saw price creating this whole retracement around there. So when I saw this, I said, yes, this is a very, very good opportunity for me to scale in and look for a buy opportunity. So remember, guys, in an uptrend, we have what they call higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs. So now at this point, I saw price create a higher low. This whole level, I saw price create a higher low at this level. So what did I do? I waited for price to break. Remember, guys, we use two entries. We use two confirmations to be able to enter a trade. We use break of counter trend line and break of structure too. So now, guys, I applied my counter trend line, which you can see right here, and I marked my level, the recent high, inside of that temporary retracement, the recent high inside of that temporary retracement. And guys, I also observed that price created a lower low here, a temporary lower low here, and price could not come back and break below this low, rather creating what they call it created a massive wick around here. This is on NAS100. It created a massive wick around here, telling us that the sellers are no longer in control of the market. Some can call this a bullish hammer. You can call this a hammer pattern. You can call it whatever pattern, but me, I don't really deal with candlestick patterns. So now when I saw this, I said yes, that price is ready to push, but on one condition, that price has to break the counter trend line and also break our structure. So I went to the daily time frame and I went to the 4 hours time frame, and guys, you know that on the 4 hours time frame, I will look for a certain candlestick that will break above this counter trend line and above the structure. So I found this candlestick that broke above the counter trend line. I found this candlestick that broke above the counter trend line, but I wasn't satisfied because I need price to break above this structure to confirm a change of structure. So then I saw this other candlestick here. Pardon me, guys. Then I saw this candlestick here, this one here. So there you have it. That was my entry on the 4 hours time frame. I took an entry on the 4 hours time frame, and there you have it. Boom! Price pushed to the upside, and then that's a big win. So Remember, as I last week when I dropped an update on this trade, I told you guys that yes, price have hit our first level target, which is this green line, and then price is heading for the second level target, and then today, which is Tuesday, price has hit the second level target. So put your hands together for me. Yeah. So now the next pair I would like to give you guys an update on is on BTC, guys. BTC. So now, guys, I you know that if there's anything I love trading, I love doing my analysis on is BTC crypto. It's just that BTC has been playing with my feelings lately. So now, but this particular one is a banger because I caught this one and I'm on this one. I'm on this trade right now. So guys, you can also see that on BTC, on BTC, I told you, I've always been telling you guys that you go to the monthly as a swing trader, the monthly time frame must be your friend because you must know the overall direction. You must know what is happening, because if you don't know what is happening, then you'll be able to like predict what is going to happen in the future. Because as a swing trader, you deal with months, you deal with weeks, and you deal with days. So now I came to the monthly time frame and I saw that price is also bullish on the monthly time frame. Very bullish on the monthly time frame. On BTC. So now, to cut the long story short, I scaled down to the daily time frame to look for entries. But before that, I went to the weekly time frame and I saw something very crucial on the weekly time frame. I saw that price hit a very massive level, a very strong level. It rejected here once, rejected here twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and then currently 6 times. So yes, this support level, I guess, this support level is very significant. So now I went to the daily time frame. You can obviously know what I'll do on the daily time frame. I'll apply my counter trend lines and my level for a break of structure, which is this is my counter trend line, and also I apply my level to the recent level that yes, if price breaks, I'll be on this trade. But also on the daily time frame, I also observe something. If you guys are acquainted with candlestick patterns, you know that this is a typical head and shoulder pattern. Let's see from here. We have this shoulder, we have the neckline, we have the head, we have the neckline, we have the shoulder, we have the break. You can clearly see this head and shoulder pattern on BTC. So now when I saw this was another confirmation that yes, bro, this trade is ready for you. So I told myself that definitely. So now I went to the weekly time frame, the 4 hours time frame to look for entries. And although my 4 hours candle break was very massive, this is my 4 hours candle break. It broke the trend line around there, but I needed a break of structure. This was where the trend line was broken, which was first confirmation, ticks green, but I wanted the second confirmation to kick, and this was where it was. So there you have it, guys. And I took the entry because this is a long space to go, and this is so I can't like reject this entry because of this massive candle. I had to take it because more profits will be gained, and already more profits is gained. And on BTC I am break even on BTC, so there is no capital, there's no risk on BTC. I'm break even on BTC, so I am on BTC buys, and NAS100 we have already taken profits. So now let's go to US30, the trade I have for you guys currently. So now on the monthly time frame, you can you know that price is very bullish on the monthly time frame. So now I scale down to the daily time frame and I observed something on the daily time frame. I will always show you guys what I see that will make me want to take a trade. So now I observed that on the daily time frame, price created a lower low from here and pushed back in a lower high, but around the price started ranging, doing sorts of a range. If you go to the 4 hours time frame, you see clearly, and then price broke out of this range, and now price came back for a retest to push to the upside. Yes, so now let's go to the 4 hours time frame to clarify that. So now the 4 hours time frame, we can clearly see what I am saying, that yes, price created a bit of a range around here on US30 on the 4 hours time frame. Price created a bit of a range around the but broke that range with this candlestick, and this was either CPI news or NFP news, but I guess it was one of those news. either CPI, because it's Thursday, CPI or one of those news. So now so right now I'm waiting. The trade is not yet ready because I am waiting for price to break above our counter trend line and then break above the structure. Once we can get a structural break, a candle close above this level, you get a good candle close above this level, and I'm telling you that yes, US30 is ready for a buy. So guys, US30 buy. If you have been following me for the longest, you know that I post quality trades. So now this is quality over quantity. Rather than posting too many trades, I post once or few trades and then they are quality trades. So now this is US30 buy, guys. So US30 buy will be waiting for a candle break. We'll wait to see a candle break above here, a candle break above here. Waiting to see a candle break above this level. Yes, a candle break above this level. So guys, you heard it here first on this channel, on Good Life TV or Good Life channel, a candle break. And yeah, I also wanted to draw your attention to something. Why I am currently very sure about this trade is that this imbalance has been cleared. Now you can clearly see that there was a great imbalance around here, but price have cleared that imbalance with, you can see price has tapped into this imbalance with this candlestick. So the imbalance is currently completed, guys. It's currently completed, that. So now we are just waiting for our entry. Right now, some traders will already take this trade. All these ICT traders and smart money concept traders, they will already take this trade by now. But guys, we have to wait for extra to be able to be sure that yes, this trade is ready, because it's how this trade can push and then fall back. So we need to wait for extra to be sure that yes, US30 is ready for a big buy. So yeah, you heard it here first from David B that US30 is going for a buy. And guys, don't forget that yes, and let's push back to BTC, guys. I forgot to tell you guys, show you guys something on BTC. Now this is the 4 hours time frame on BTC, guys. This is the 4 hours time frame on BTC, guys. So now price has just broken our counter trend line again. Price has just broken our counter trend line again. So if you are ready to scale in on this trade, yes, this is an entry for you. Yeah, this is an entry for you. The close of this candle here, let me highlight that for you. The close of this candle, yeah, that's an entry for you. This candle here, that's an entry for you. So yes, you heard it here first on this channel, BTC buys. We are on BTC buys. We are on we are looking out for US30 buy, and we are already finished on NAS100, guys. I called out this trade on NAS, and if you didn't follow me, yes, you have BTC to redeem yourself. You have BTC and US30 to redeem yourself. So make sure, guys, that you watch this video, enjoy this video, and then you learn from this video, guys. As a swing trader, you learn from this video, guys. And it's your boy Good Life. Make sure you have a good trading